This is vrr vrr. It's a metronome, an aid for musicians. Unlike traditional metronomes, it keeps a tempo by blinking its LEDs. Why is it called vrr vrr? The switch toggles vibration. There's a little motor inside that I salvaged from a broken smartwatch. You can press the digit keys to type the tempo you like, for example, 122 BPM. When you're not typing, you can use the 0 key to tap the tempo instead. Plus and minus keys increase and decrease the tempo, and they do it faster when you're holding the key down. Letters A to D are for presets. You press to load a preset. For example, preset A that is set to 60 BPM. Or preset D that's 150 BPM. When you want to store the current tempo to a preset, you simply hold one of the letter keys. Holding digits 1 to 9 sets different tempo measures. For example, by holding 3 I can subdivide the current beat into triplets, 4 for quadruplets, and so on. Holding the 0 key toggles accents. So now we can hear that the motor is vibrating at a different frequency on the first subdivision of each beat. Vrr vrr is very small, it's powered by a lithium battery rechargeable by USB, and it has a little LED indicator that tells you when it's time to recharge it. It's made with easily available electronic components, and at its heart there is a Raspberry Pi Pico. Its code is open source, and if you want one, you can put it together following the schematics I published online.